me introduce myself. My name is Zumrohtul and my friends.
Hello guys, my name is Anggun Arianti.
Hello friends, my name is Nabilla, Syifa, Julian, Putri.
Okay, in this video, we will review a journal in detail, influence of food and nutrition on the gut, microbiome, and implication for intestinal health by Ping Zhang and published in 2022. Through this video, we will discuss and background of the study, its objective, the methods used, the result and discussion, and the conclusion of the journal. Let's begin with the background and objective of the study, which will be discussed by Nabilla.
Background: the human gut microbiome consists of a vast and diverse microbial community that play a critical role in maintaining overall health, intestinal homeostasis, and immune tolerance. Diet is a primary driving factor that shapes the structure, composition, and metabolic function of the microbiome. In recent years, public interest and scientific much of this research has focused heavily on general composition change Jesus to microbes, leaving a significant gap in our understanding of how these dietary components and their bacterial metabolism directly impact gut physiology, the intestinal epithelial barrier, and host immune system interaction. This is particularly crucial since an unbalanced diet, like a typical Western diet, can lead to dysbiosis and a leaky gut, which are deeply effective in chronic inflammatory conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). Objective: the primary objective of this review article is to summarize current scientific knowledge regarding the effects of major food components, such as dietary fiber, fats, and protein, and their specific metabolism on the gastrointestinal tract and overall intestinal health. Additionally, the paper aims to discuss the influence of diet on the interplay between the gut microbiome and the host mucosal immune system in the context of IBD. By detailing this complex interaction, the author intends to provide insight that will be useful for developing target nutritional therapies and dietary strategies to maintaining good health, protect the intestinal barrier, and restore a healthy microbiome in individuals suffering from IBD.
Okay, we have already discussion the background and objective of the study. Now we will move on the discussion this research method and research discussed by Anggun.
Okay, moving on the methodology. This is a comprehensive review paper. The author gathered, scientists, and summarized the current scientific knowledge from American literature. Specifically, this paper integrates high impact data from American pivotal studies, such as Valdez et al. 2018 on the basic role of gut microbiota in nutrition and health, Maki et al. 2018 regarding the impact of dietary fiber on the gut microbiota composition, Gentil and Weir 2018, which detail the interaction between diet and host microbiota crosstalk, Singh et al. 2017, focusing on the influence of diet on the gut microbiome and its health implication. Rinella et al. 2019, regarding what constitutes a health gut microbiota composition. By analyzing this extensive reference, the study successfully evaluate the impact of major food components, such as carbohydrate, proteins, and fat, and their metabolites specifically within the gastrointestinal tract, as well as the host immune response. Moving into the result and finding, this study highlights the micronutrients we consume directly shape the ecosystem within our gastrointestinal tract. First, when evaluate carbohydrate and dietary fat, we see a stark contrast between beneficial and harmful components. The study demonstrates that dietary fiber is ferment and beneficial gut bacteria into certain fatty acid, which crucial for the gut lining and strengthen our intestinal barrier. On the flip side, a diet high in simple sugar and saturated fat trigger an entirely different pathway. Saturated fat increase bile acid secretion, which promote the growth of inflammatory bacteria or pathogens. This process degrades the tight junction of the gut and erodes the protective mucous layer, ultimately leading to leaky gut and localized inflammation. Fortunately, this negative impact can be effectively counterbalanced by unsaturated fat like omega-3, which actively promote a diverse and healthy microbial ecosystem.
Okay, based on the result of the journal review, it can be concluded that food and nutrition play a very important role in shaping the composition and function of the gut microbiome. A balanced, fiber-rich diet can support the growth of beneficial bacteria and help maintain gut health. Conversely, consuming saturated fat, excessive sugar, and processed food can cause dysbiosis, potentially increasing the risk of various health disorders, including inflammatory bowel disease. This concludes our journal review of the influence of food and nutrition on the gut microbiome and its implication for intestinal health. We hope this discussion has broadened our understanding of the importance of maintaining a healthy diet to support digestive tract health and overall body health. Thank you for attention. We apologize for any shortcoming. See you in the next discussion. Bye bye.